Is your PC running slow or low on space? Don't worry. Today I'll show you how to clean up your computer and free up tons of space without installing any software. Let's jump straight in. Run disk cleanup. First, press Windows plus R. Type clean mgr and hit enter. Select your main drive, usually the C drive. Then check all these boxes: temporary files, thumbnails, system cache, and more. Hit OK and let it clean up the mess. Enable Storage Sense. Next, open Settings with Windows plus I, go to Storage and turn on Storage Sense. Click Configure Storage Sense to customize when and how it works. For an instant cleanup, click Run Storage Sense now. Super easy. Uninstall unused programs now. Remove the junk you don't use. Press Windows plus R, type appwiz.cpl and press enter. Go through the list. See something you don't need? Select it and hit uninstall. Delete temporary files time to clear hidden junk. Press Windows plus R, type %temp% and delete everything inside. Some files won't go, just skip those. Then do the same with the temp and prefetch folders. Empty the recycle bin next. Empty the recycle bin to permanently remove deleted files. Right-click it and hit Empty Recycle Bin. And that's it. Your PC should now be cleaner, faster, and have way more space. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more PC tips every week. Let me know in the comments how much space you freed up.